How to set credit goals using Credit Karma. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Credit Score to access your credit insights. Next, scroll down until you find a section that says Credit Goals or Credit Builder. This may also appear under tools like Score Planner or Financial Goals. Click on that section and you will be asked to set a credit score target or choose a goal like buy a house, get a credit card, or pay off debt. Now enter your desired credit score or select a specific goal you want to work towards. Credit Karma will then provide personalized tips and track your progress based on your financial profile. You will also get suggestions such as reducing credit card balances, making on-time payments, or avoiding hard inquiries to help you reach your goal. Make sure to review and update your goals as your financial situation changes. Setting realistic goals and tracking them regularly will keep your credit journey on track. Now you know how to set credit goals using Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.